Hold on. I'm just getting ready. Holy. Today, we are back with another YES Burp Soda Chug here today. Literally every video that I've been posting for this series of the YES Burp Soda Chug have been doing well. You guys seem to enjoy them. Every video's like pretty much got a good amount of views. So I assume that you guys do enjoy these videos of the YES Burp Soda Chug because you guys apparently love watching me chug an excessive amount of soda pop while burping. This is not no burp soda chug challenge. This is the YES Burp Soda Chug. I completely made it up on a random day. I don't know what I was thinking. I just thought of YES Burp Soda Chug. If you guys enjoy this, I'm just gonna keep bringing the videos. Today's soda for today's chug is a Diet A&W root beer, which was requested from one of you guys. Make sure you guys go down below, smash the like button, spam the like button, spam the comments, all that good stuff. You guys already know what it is. And yeah, let's see how fast we can take down 100 ounces of Diet A&W root beer. This is like 3 liters of root beer. Let's just go. 3, 2, 1, go. This is gonna suck. You guys know we gotta make sure these are clear. 3 left, let's go. Jesus, tastes good. There's like sugar in there. Last A&W root beer. Let's go. Under 4. I'm feeling like Spongebob from that one episode. Can you guys see that? They are all empty. There it was. That was 3 liters of Diet A&W root beer. As fast as possible. I'm not going to say as fast as possible. I could have went a lot more faster. I don't know what was going on. But regardless, challenge completed. That was the YES Burp Soda Chug. I honestly don't even think I burped that much. Should I call this the No Burp Soda Chug? I don't know. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Road to 2,000 subscribers. You guys already know what it is. And yeah, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share. Subscribe to me. Stay lit and always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we're out.